This is my JDM 1997 Legacy GT Twin Turbo V Limited. It's an unusual car in as much as it is a one of 400. They were made in white, black and this 74F rally blue colour. So I've had this about 5 or 6 years, and it's sort of been sat in a corner, so I thought it'd be nice to have a little look around it and see what it needs to make it look nice and tidy. It's done 120,000 kilometres, so mechanically it's pretty good, and it sounds nice when it runs. It's quite tidy inside. It's just obviously age and use has caught up with the bodywork, so I just wanted to go around it, have a little look, find the dings, mark them up and see what it needs. So what I'm going to do is paint daub some of these spots, such as that, in the bonnet. So the bonnet's pretty good, I think, and it's just this one here. I just want to mark it up. Rest of the bonnet's okay. Scoop's got some lacquer peel. That's just strip and repaint. Bumper, front and rear in their entirety will need to be stripped and repainted. I think the front wing's got a bend in it around about here. Yeah, around about there. And then this, yeah, this wheel arch has got some marks in it there, so that looks like it's had some attention. Not sure if the wing is bent further back. You can see a little buckle around there. Seems to be like a line in it. Other than that, it doesn't look too bad. Front door. Got the front door. We do have a ding here. Can't really see it on the camera. Oh, there's one there. You can see that. That's quite a good one. Bit of scruffiness here. Won't mark that up, that'll just get flatted. Otherwise the door looks alright. Obviously lacquer's falling off. That back door is a scrapper. It's quite bent on the outside and it's got that underneath, so that's just going to go in the bin. Lacquer peel. Otherwise, don't think that's too bad. No, it doesn't look too bad. As I said, rear bumper, that'll get stripped fully. Tailgate, it's actually quite nice. Back wing, this one, it's not so good at all. So it's quite bent along there. It's quite bent there. Got a ding in it. There. Obviously the bumper needs fully stripping. Back door. Can't get it on the film, but I can see one there. Might be something in here. That is obvious, as is that. That's very obvious. Has side skirts there in the car. Front door looks remarkably good. Nothing to report on that really. Gosh. Wing. Not sure if that's bent or not down there. I don't think so, just a scrape. But it has got some issues there. And it's got a dent along here. And I'm not sure about the front edge. Feels a little bit bumpy. Could be just that it's got scratches in the paint. No, I think it's got a dent in it down there. But other than that, too bad. Mirrors, they'll be fully stripped. They've got things going on. It's had drip trims on it, which has affected the paint along there and along there, which is a shame. But also we have lacquer lift and failing there. A little scrape on the wing, otherwise it's nice. Little lacquer chip there, that could be filled in. That might polish out. I don't really want to paint it unless it really needs it. It'd be quite nice to have some of it original. But it's not looking that good actually for that. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. That could actually look quite smart with a bit of paint.